So today we're going to do a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm going to try and get this up sooner this month because normally these come really late, but I actually got this guy pretty early in the month. So I'm so excited to share it with you. I've already peeked inside and we've already had that video where we had a preview of the palette that's inside. So I can tell you that that is bomb. I'll link that video down below if you want to see it in action, but it's so good. So good. I've peeked in here. I'm so excited about this box. This might be one of my favorites, if not my favorite one. So let's jump in. But if you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $21 a month beauty subscription. You get 5 or more full-size products every single month for 21 bucks. If you guys want to join Boxycharm, as always, there is an affiliate link down below if you want them to know that I sent you. If not, that's totally cool. But if you want to, that would be fantastic. So it's down there for you. All right, let's get into this. I haven't taken everything out, but I've peeked in and I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. Obsessed. Okay, so it always comes with this little card that tells us all about the products inside. The theme of this month's box is Gold Digger. Everything is gold and sparkly. This is very holiday themed is what I mean, it's Gold Digger, so like Gold Digger. First thing on the list is the Cover FX glitter drops. I have been wanting to try these for so long, but I cannot bring myself to spend that amount of money. This guy retails for $44. This right here is more than double the cost of the box right here. This item, insane. So this is in the shade Nova. Let's swatch it. I haven't swatched it. Oh, it's a golden shade. So hopefully it's not too pigmented because I want to be able to put it on my cheek. Oh, we probably can make that work if we tap it out. It's a little deep, but I already have so much glitter on. I probably shouldn't put it on. But it's really pretty. I probably could put that on top of a white highlight and it would work maybe on top of a liquid white highlight, and then I would have the glitter aspect. Oh my goodness, you guys. It's got like pink and green and blue, just like multi-dimensional glitters in there. I hope that it's coming across. I hope you guys can see. Sorry I have so many highlighters on my hand. Anyway, you guys get it. This is gorgeous. I'm really excited. I really am a big fan of Cover FX. They are cruelty-free. They have amazing products. They're expensive. They're like a treat yourself product. And every time I get a new Cover FX product, I feel like I'm spoiling myself. So Boxycharm, this is not the first time they've had Cover FX. Super excited about that. The next thing is this beauty. I am going to keep this one all intact so I can do a giveaway or give it to a friend or something like that because I got a preview of it and they sent this over to me. This is what this palette looks like. This is, I don't know if it's Ace Beauty, Ace Beauty, Ace Butte. I don't know how to say that name. You know, let me know down below. Please be nice about it. Sorry, I'm stupid, but this is just gorgeous. I love warm browns. I love reds. I love pinks. You guys know. If you guys noticed the makeup look I was wearing in a lot of my recent videos, I was wearing this palette. That tutorial, Get Ready With Me, just went up today, the day that I'm filming. But so it's on my channel. It's just my latest chit chat, Get Ready With Me, which I don't think I've done one in a long time. This blends so well, so pigmented, so pretty. This guy retails for $24.99 and it comes in the box, so more than cost of the box. It's just gorgeous. Let me swatch a few shades for you because this one is mine. That gives you an idea. Those are one like swatch, like one swirl in the pan, one swatch. You guys, and like this peach, unreal, unreal. This palette is so nice, so nice. And so up my alley. And like this shade right here, you wouldn't think it was that pigmented, but it definitely is. I'm covered in highlight. So beautiful. So this is an amazing palette. Probably my favorite palette that I will actually use and have used out of my Boxycharms. I was using it every single day until my blood sugar palette came in the mail. You know that I'm obsessed. I'm already obsessed. But so good. You can get a natural look out of this palette. You can get a super bold look. You can get a holiday look. This is like the perfect holiday palette to me. So good. Next is a brush set. So this is from Luxio. Oh my goodness, you guys. They are gold and sparkly. They come in like a little Ziploc pack. These look super small, which is great. So you get 4 brushes. They retail for $21. So they're all mini brushes, which is amazing. I have, as you guys can see, I have hooded lids. I love tiny brushes like this because, let me get closer so you guys can really see. Small brushes like this work amazing if you have hooded lids or smaller eyes, or I mean, even if you don't, it's still amazing to have such small brushes. I caught it. For detail work, and I feel like this is just the perfect tiny little pencil brush. It's going to blend out your lower lash line so nicely. Oh, look at this tiny blender. Look at that thing. So cute, and they're gold and sparkly. Like, Could I ask for more? No. I've been really wanting some little tiny blender brushes. I'm probably going to put these right in my everyday makeup caddy because I'm so excited to play with them, especially with all of the new palettes that I've gotten. I've not been getting a lot of palettes. Now all of a sudden I have so much new makeup. I'm just so excited to play with these and see what I can do and how they step up my makeup game, because I just feel like my makeup looks so much better when I have smaller brushes, and I honestly don't know where a lot of my smaller brushes went. I'm sure they're around here somewhere, but I'm excited to have these. Those are gorgeous. I'm literally putting them in my everyday makeup caddy as we speak right now. I've got two more things. This is it Jean Bleu? Jonte with an apostrophe BLU. This is Glittering Star Eyeliners. It is black. Yes, it's black with glitter, you guys. Can you see the glitter on that pencil tip? Oh, it's so pretty. I used to have a glitter pencil liner like this from MAC, and I was obsessed with it. I would wear it all the time. It just gives you a little bit of silver glitter. I feel like it would have been cool if it was gold because the packaging is gold and glittery, but I'm stoked. I love using pencils like this on my lower lash line because it gives you just a little bit of glitter and you get like a nice glittery smoky eye. So pretty. Again, it's going in my everyday makeup caddy because I want to try it now. And that guy retails for only $5. $5? Girl, if they have more, I'm gonna have to look into that because $5 for a glitter pencil liner is a good deal. All right, so the last thing is a pair of lashes. Can we take a moment for this packaging? Look at this packaging. So these are by Lashaholic. The style I got is Insta Glam. These retail for $14.99. Girl, when I get a pair of lashes that I actually really, really want to wear in a beauty box, I'm so excited. Look at these. Look at those. So up my alley. I love the spiky lashes. Those look beautiful. This packaging is beautiful. Given they're so pretty that they're probably the type of lashes that I'll leave in my drawer for way too long just because I love the packaging and I'm like, this is a collector's item. I need to keep this. I'll try and use them in a video soon though because those look insane. Oh, those look so pretty. These retail for $14.99, which isn't bad at all. So I guess if I like them, it's not the end of the world. Maybe I can get another pair. I assume you can use them multiple times. They're vegan too. So they look like mink lashes, but they're vegan and they're made of silk fibers, which is amazing, amazing, amazing. So cool. So cool. All right, love, so that is everything we got in this month's Boxycharm. All right, love, so we're gonna add up the value of this box because I love doing that to know like what kind of deal we are getting. So the Cover FX glitter drops are $44. Palette is $24.99. The brush set is $21. The eyeliners, I can't get over that. It's only $5. And then the lashes are $14.99. So the retail value of this box is $109.98. And then I always minus the cost of the actual subscription, which is $21. So it comes out to $88.98 additional product. This box is crazy. I literally love everything in it. Everything in it. Everything. I mean, I wish that I had gotten maybe a lighter glitter drop, but I can't even complain because I've really been wanting to try those. And your girl cannot justify $44 right now on a glitter drop. Like I can't, but now I have a full size one to try out to see if I like it. I'm really excited. The lashes look beautiful. I know I love the palette. I'm excited to be able to gift that palette to someone else because I know I have plenty of people in my life that would love it too. All right, I'm rambling, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you guys subscribe to Boxycharm, if you like it. Also let me know if you have gotten Boxy Luxe and what you think, because I would love to know down in the comments. And please give this video a thumbs up if you like beauty box unboxings. All right, loves, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you have not already. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesday, Friday here on my channel. And don't forget that there's a affiliate link down below if you want to subscribe to Boxycharm and you want them to know that I sent you. Again, if not, that's totally cool, but it's there if you want to use it. All right, I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. I almost sounded like I was about to start singing, when I get a pair of lashes. So again, these retails for what? I mean the value, not the cost. Where's my phone?